Today, we will learn the fastest method of finding HCF. Find HCF of 8 and 12 by division method or Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 12 by 8, we get 1 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 4 becomes the new divisor and 8 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 8 by 4, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.